How to log into Costco payroll account. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Now type in Costco login and search for it. With that, different website links will appear. Go ahead and click on this one, costco.com. With that, you will be directed to the official website of Costco. Now at the top right corner, you can find 3 bars. Click on it. Now go ahead and click on the option of sign in. With that, you will land to the login page. Now from here, you can easily log into your account. All you have to do is type in your Costco account's credentials. So go ahead and type in your email address. Likewise, type in your password. In the case you have forgotten your password or email address, you can click on this option, having trouble signing in, and with that your problem will be resolved. If you want to save your login info in this device, you can check in for this option. Once you fill this, you can click on the option of sign in, and with that you will be logged into your account. Well, this is how you can easily log into a Costco payroll account. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.